Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today, we're going to try how to make a pancake in a mug.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
So, we need 1/4 cup of pancake mix. Then, we need 3 tablespoons of cold water. So, we're going to put our pancake mix in our mug. Then we're going to add our water. And then we're going to stir it. And if it's a little lumpy, it's okay. So now we're going to put this in our microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. So I put it in for 55 seconds. And here it is. Now you're going to take your butter we take our lovely syrup and there you go. I'm giving it a try. I hope I like it. Yes, it is good. It tastes like a pancake, everyone. I'm gonna have another bite. Yes, I'm gonna make this again. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.